Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this absolutely stunning Audi RS3 Sportback carbon black we've currently got for sale, finished in a lovely Daytona grey pearl effect paint. She's got that 2.5 petrol engine producing 400 PS with an Tronic automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring as well with a full Audi service history and some fantastic options which I'll go through shortly. At the front is those matrix LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions, as well as these lovely 19-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with the carbon fibre wing mirrors which are power folding and heated, and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards as well. You've also got that gorgeous carbon fibre spoiler, and a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats, plenty of room there for your weekly shop plus much more. Moving inside, you've got that gorgeous full leather upholstery with the quilted stitch in there. There's also a centre armrest and a couple of cup holders. At the front is a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, alongside an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Just behind the boot you've got that full digital display, housing all your vital driving information. And alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's also multiple driver modes available. You've also got that optionally fitted adaptive chassis control as well with Audi Drive Select. You've got that dynamic mode for a more sporty drive. You've also got front and rear parking sensors to help with parking, as well as a rear view camera. You've also got the optionally fitted Bang & Olufsen premium sound system as well as part of the optionally fitted comfort and sound pack. There's plenty of assistance systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times as well, including a lane departure warning. As you can see, you've got multiple sound settings with your subwoofer and also your surround sound and 3D sound. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust with heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. There's also a little bit of storage below as well. You've also got the optionally fitted advanced key, giving you keyless access and start. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.